Good morning, student. In last video, we explained chapter 4, some explanations, some important terms. In this video, I am explaining you next topic of the chapter, that is the differentiate on the basis of gender. In mostly we can see that in every household, work are fixed for women. Cleaning, washing, these are some type of work which are mentioned, which are especially are fixed for the female gender, for the woman. And mostly in our home, in our house, we can see that male ignore and neglect this kind of work. But if he get the wages or salary or payment for this one, he accept to ready. For example, we can see it in all the hotels, restaurants, dhabas. We can see it's very well that mostly these work are done by the male. But in home, all these work are only and only done by the female. We made separation, we made discrimination, male and female on the basis of these work. In starting, mostly all house, no matter that house are related towns, village or city, mostly in all houses we fix some kind of work in our mentality, in child mentality, and the result that kind of work are separate. This is the biggest reason of discrimination on the basis of gender. The topic began that in how many types, in how many ways we discriminate men and women on the basic main base of gender. In highly paid job, proportion of women less. The mostly male thing that women cannot do the work outside at the home. It was the tendency, it was the mentality of men in the starting, and mostly many years this tendency was the same. But now we can see in every job, in every work, women numbers are day by day increasing compared of before. In every field, women can do the work in every field. Scientists, doctors, teachers, in a police, everywhere we can see women. But the tendency was that women cannot do work. They can do work only inside the home. But this tendency is wrong. And now in every field, we can see it's very well way that women numbers are good and they can do the work in a very good way compared of male, because they are so dedicated to their work. But it is very sorry to inform you, it is very sorry to say the same work. For example, in a industry, male and female doing the same work. The working timing are same. Working hours same. Mode of working are same. Nature of work are same. But the payment, wages, salary are differentiated compare of male and women, and they get the low wages, low salary, low income compare of men. In mostly we can see this example in it. Actually, these are not only related in rural areas. This type of tendency we can also see in urban areas. For example, cinema, a movie, hero, heroine are same working, but hero, actor will get high compensation of that movie compare of female actor. So this kind of differentiation we can see male and female on the timing of paid income. Second, right now we can also see the most highly job, their number of women are less. Mostly in high job, men are working. No doubt, women number are increasing, day by day increasing. But overall proportion when we see, we can find out the number of women are less in highly jobs compare of male. Why? Because in starting from time of birth, women have to face many type of restrictions, many type of problems. So the number of women are less in highly jobs. Third type of differentiation, Indian parent prefer to a kid boy. This kind of news we can see mostly daily in newspapers. Abortion, because mostly parents are educated, so they know it's very well. But there are many people who are not properly educated and they doing this work and they only preference male compare of female. Male kid they are preferring, male baby they are preferring, they are not preferred, they don't want kid baby. So that is why the number of, the proportion of ratio are very low. Male and female. In mostly state, male number are high compare of women, and this type of differentiation are in some states so much difference. For example, male are the more than 1000 and women are related to 850, 900. So this is the very biggest problem, and this is the one of the most example of differentiation between the male and female on the basis of gender wise. Fourth one is the exploitation. We are working in 21st century. We are most scientific educated person. Our techniques, our knowledge are increasing. But this kind of problem we can also see in mostly everywhere. In 21st century also women have to face many kind of problem, harassment, exploitation. Why? Because they are unable to raise their voice. Mostly voices are pressed by the male with many reasons, and this kind of problem happen with the women. Actually, the male tendency and the woman tendency are different. Mostly male cannot understand, they don't want to understand emotions of women, nature of women. So they behave, their behavior are not good to women, and the result is women have to face many kind of problem. And this is the also example of differentiation between the male and the woman. Next one is the political representation. We got independence 1947, 2020 working. Very large span of time is spent but women are unable to get proper representation in political party. Every political party want to provide high and high reservation to women. Every political party say, Congress, BJP, all the other regional parties are saying we are support of representation of women. But when the timing of ticket of candidate, distribution ticket of candidate, mostly party number of ratio are less to provide ticket to female. In 21st century, I am giving you a ratio. Less than 10% women get elected in Lok Sabha. And state assembly, this number is less than 5%. We are developing country, India is a developing country, but many other developing countries, ratio of women representation are good. African countries, Latin American countries are not so very good developed. And there are large number of problems compared of us. But the good thing is the women representation in politics ratio is high compared of India. Only some year before we get to success to provide 33% reservation to women only in local level government. In center and state, we are only saying that we will provide, but till now not a single political party provide 33% to women in time of distribution of ticket, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha or State Assembly. Cabinet mission, cabinet government, cabinet ministers. If we try to watch center government, if we try to watch state assembly government, we can find total number of ministers, the women number are less. Number of ministers of male are so high compare of women. In every government, number of women who are minister in the government are less. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of total number, it can be only less than 1 or 2%. Every political party saying we are supporting of this issue, but not a single political party have a dare to provide number of ministers to women, number of ticket distribution to women. And the next one is the gender division is actually a political issue. And every political party want to get benefit from this issue. I am not saying for any particular political party. I am saying for every political party. They made this representation of political issue, representation of women as a political issue. One political party saying we are ready to provide, but another political party don't want to accept this proposal. Second political party saying no. Actually, we want to give number of ticket to women. Actually, we want to make women minister in our government. But other political party is not ready. And this all kind of situation made this as a political issue. So dear student, in this video we start our topic differentiation between the male and female on the basis of gender, and in how many type of differentiate women have to face in their life. Thank you very much.